Do you wake up feeling tired? Do you drag yourself through the day? You are not alone. Millions feel stuck in a cycle of exhaustion. We live in a world that never slows down. There's pressure to always be working, always be connected. This constant pressure can be harmful. It's time to break free from the tiredness trap. Our phones keep us connected 24/7. Social media shows us everyone else's perfect lives. It's easy to get caught up in the need to do more, be more. We answer emails on vacation, scroll through news feeds before bed. Our minds are always racing. But true rest means disconnecting. It means giving your mind and body a break from the constant stimulation. Many people confuse rest with distraction. They scroll through social media, watch endless hours of TV, or numb themselves with shopping. But these activities don't provide true rest. They keep your mind engaged and prevent you from facing your own thoughts and feelings. Real rest is about stillness. It's about giving yourself space to simply be. Modern society often glorifies busyness. We're told that success comes from working long hours and sacrificing sleep. We wear our exhaustion like a badge of honor. This hustle culture can lead to burnout and unhappiness. Rest is not a reward for hard work. It's a fundamental human need, just like eating and sleeping. Melissa was a rising star at her company. She worked long hours and rarely took breaks. She was, really proud of her dedication. But the constant pressure took a toll. Melissa became increasingly anxious and irritable. She couldn't sleep, and she lost interest in things she used to enjoy. Finally, her body gave out. Melissa had a panic attack at work and had to take a leave of absence. She had reached a point of burnout. Melissa's story is a reminder that neglecting our need for rest can have, honestly, some serious consequences. Rest is not a luxury. It's a right. Our bodies and minds need time to recover from the stresses of daily life. When we rest, we allow ourselves to heal and recharge. We become more resilient, creative, and productive. Give yourself permission to prioritize rest. Your well-being really depends on it. Sometimes when we finally slow down, difficult emotions can surface. We might feel sadness, anxiety, or loneliness. It's tempting to push these feelings away. But true rest requires us to face them with courage and compassion. Allow yourself to feel what you feel without judgment. This is how we heal and grow. One of the simplest ways to experience true rest is through your breath. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, feeling your stomach rise. Hold for a moment, then slowly exhale, feeling your body relax. Repeat this several times, focusing on the rhythm of your breath. This simple practice can help calm your mind and body. We live in a culture that often defines success by external achievements. But true success is about living a meaningful and fulfilling life. It's about nurturing our relationships, pursuing our passions, and taking care of our well-being. When we prioritize rest, we create space for these things to flourish. Give yourself permission to pause. Step away from the constant demands of the world. Disconnect from technology. Spend time in nature. Listen to your body's wisdom. Rest is not a sign of weakness, but a sign of strength. It's an act of self-love and self-care. Give yourself the gift of rest today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life.